What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, The Big Dip, coming at you with a Subway food review. How about that? Today, we've got a cheese bite. Now, I'm skeptical because it's got a tomato in it, it's got lettuce in it, it's got cheese in it, it's got some barbecue sauce because the lady of the thing was like, oh, I like barbecue sauce. So I was like, yeah, I love some barbecue sauce, but she put all the shit in it and then put it in the microwave. So that's what I'm skeptical about. She was like, "Oh, I've never had microwave or whatever, like grilled lettuce before," and I'm like, "Okay, you don't sound confident like that's how it was meant to be cooked." But it smells nice. It's tiny though. Hmm, it's quite nice actually. Hmm, barbecue sauce is lovely. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. I got nothing bad to say about that, apart from the fact that it's small and over. But I could just get that as a normal sub, right? Just bread, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and some barbecue sauce. That was actually really nice. Anyway, thanks for watching, Big Dip Nation. I'll be back soon. Not soon, because I do these like once a year with a. In fact, I didn't do one in the entirety of 2019, I don't think. But anyway, um, back at some point with another food review. I've been the Big Dip. Um, Big Dip up.